When you've finished designing your form, Subscribe makes it easy to add it to your website. From the Actions menu at the top, we just need to click on Embed Form. You'll now be given several options to best embed the form on your website. The recommended approach is to use the script-based tool. If we click on this, we can see this gives us a one-line JavaScript that we can add on our website. The advantage using this method is that if you make updates to this form in the future, it will automatically update on your website without having to change the embed code. Depending on the type of form that you've created, it will give you different instructions. For example, we can see on this form, we just need to paste this code wherever we wish the form to display on our website. Alternatively, if you're a coder and wish for a little more flexibility, you can select the HTML option. This will provide you with the full HTML that makes up your form, so you can customize it a little further if you need to. If we wish to copy this, just click on Copy to Clipboard. And finally, if you've got a standalone form, you will note that you would get different embed options. A standalone form is a standalone form where you're given the unique web address of where it sits. So this may be perfect if you wish to share this URL with your friends, colleagues, or on social media, so it doesn't need a website attached to it. You can see here, if we click on the Actions menu and click on Share Form, the options have changed. You'll now be given a dedicated URL where this form lives. You can click on the Copy button to copy it to Clipboard. Alternatively, you can download a QR code to your computer. You can then use this QR code to share with other users and it will send them to the Subscribe form.